Sa Ontario, ibinida ang talento ng Filipino-Canadian youth sa performance arts sa pagtatanghal ng sikat na Mean Girls Junior nitong weekend. Ang tagumpay ng produksyon nakamit daw sa tulong at suporta ng kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. Panuurin sa report ni Teresa Radula.
Para sa maraming fans ng kilalang kwento, musical o orihinal na pelikulang Mean Girls, pamilyar ang naging pagtatanghal ng JDL School of Performing Arts ng Mean Girls Junior. Isang nakakatuwang produksyon na ginanapan ng talentadong kabataang edad 12 to 18 years old na pinaghandaan ng buong JDL crew mula pa noong Hulyo.
It's a movie about how girls, girls can be girls, and how relationships can really shape the way your friendships bond, and how there are some people that may not be too nice to you, but you got to persevere, and it's just how you live your life as a teenage girl.
Bago ang ikalawa at huling pagtatanghal ng Mean Girls Junior ngayong araw ng linggo, nakapanayam namin ng ilang cast at crew matapos ang ilang buwang paghahanda para sa palabas na ito. Ilan sa mga sandaling may pinakamalakas na hiyawan sa teatro nang ipakilala ang karakter na si Regina George na pinagbidahan ni Kayan Lucentales at Shane Aludud.
Athletes, ew, no. Why is he by our table?
I can do anything and I don't have to be sorry about it.
Yes.
Right? Because Regina is queen. She is the boss of the school, so she can do whatever she wants and no one can tell her no. So that's my favorite part of her character.
Sina Liam Diaz at Marco Landicho, itinuturing ding perfect casting para sa karakter na si Damian Hubbard.
Just being like the funny person in the group. I think he brings a lot of comedic timing and stuff.
I also like how outgoing and live he is. He definitely gives the show laughter, so much fun. It just brings the show up.
Ang natatanging hamon daw sa kanilang karakter.
I think the hardest part was pretending not to like Regina and the Plastics.
Oh, why?
Well, because we're so close to them, and so it's hating them is unnatural.
Pero higit sa tanghalan ng Mean Girls, ito rin ay kwento ng mga talento ng kabataang Filipino-Canadian. Mapasanay sa entablado o unang sabak sa teatro.
I try not to cry, but there's some tears a little bit.
Bakit po?
Kasi nakaka-proud talaga. Not just my kid, but everybody, because you can see all the hard work na parang na-provision sa show na to.
Ayon sa magulang, hindi raw maipagkakaila ang kahalagahan ng suporta ng pamilya sa kabataan na hindi rin isinasawalang bahala ng kabataan.
I saw a lot of people I didn't see in a long time come support me and surprise me. I felt so loved. I just really hope they love the show.
Showing our friends and family how much we love just musical theater, singing, dancing. It's just so nice to see, and seeing everyone come to support us as well. It's just it makes me it makes me feel a little emotional, I can't lie.
Dagdag ng JDL School of Performing Arts, hindi raw dito magtatapos ang pagkakataong makikita ang kanilang talento.
We may do this again.
Teresa Radula, Omni News, Thornhill.